Okay, Obi-Wan Kenobi Master Yoda combination. Dude, my man is going to charge us 21,000 milliamp hour 6 cell battery. Anyway, this is a high-tech multi-charger X2 400. What does this do, Steven?
This is going to actually balance the cells in the battery. What we want to do if we're getting ready for flying a drone, we want to give it a complete charge. And here we're going to change the configuration for the battery itself. And now we need to change the amperage, which usually is specified by the battery itself. Recommended charge current 1 to 2 C, which you need to get the amperage. I'm not entirely sure what that calculates out to right now.
Yeah. So we're going to wait till he's going to get out his handy dandy iPhone. His handy dandy Android.
Hold on. There's a better chart or calculator online. Battery C 2 amps.
I'm going to have to edit out a lot.
To determine this number, take the mall rating of your pack and divide it by 1,000. If your batteries allow for a higher charge rate, 1C through 5C is the general range. Simply take the number you came to calculating your 1C rate and multiply by that factor. Interesting.
So this balances this. What else are the settings here?
Wait, what?
So that's 466.2 watt hours.
Yeah, that's the watt hour storage. Normally it's referred to by the milliamp hour.
Cool.
But this is 21,000.
0.2 volt.
So theoretically can charge up to 21 amps. I don't necessarily trust that.
It said on the back, don't do it past
1 to 2 C. But C is your total mall divided by 1,000, and that would be your 1 C. So that would be 21 amps from my calculation.
Okay.
I'm gonna just set it there, see if it even goes there. If it doesn't even go there, then I think it will. Oh no. It stops at 20.
So that's the fastest we can charge with this thing.
Theoretically. But I don't know. Let me make sure, because that doesn't necessarily sound right.